So as I mentioned earlier, before we go to Typhoon Lagoon, we're going to have some lunch. We've been to Spyglass Grill and we've got some tacos. We've bought tacos and fries, not that I can open it. Go. Oh, look at those tacos, chicken tacos, fries and salsa, and Via's got the same, so yum 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 yum. Can't see her, she's in there somewhere. Haven't done this yet. Are you coming? What? What? What'd you say, sorry? Oh god, you got your feet out. So, it is now 14:13, so 2:15 in the afternoon. We're going to go to Typhoon Lagoon for a bit now, and go in the water parks, and then we're going to come back and go to Ohana. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you steady? She's gone. Made it to Typhoon Lagoon, and I'm not going to be here too long. But I'm not gonna vlog much here because obviously I didn't bring the waterproof camera because I'm an idiot. I got talked out of it. Look all the people in the pool. Wow, it's really busy here. Just lost my shoe. Oh dear. Right, lockers are straight ahead. Are we going to get a locker or just take... You got to have one? I have no idea, I'm just here for the ride. Oh, there's some nice stuff here. Might get some stuff from here. Some like souvenirs. Anyway, we're going to go get a locker and I'm going to put the camera in the locker. So yeah, I guess I'll see you all later. Bye. Looking at me? Okay guys, we're still at the water park, but we just got dry and then it thunderstormed on us and now we're wet again, and I wasn't going to change like my underwear for Ohana. That's it now, wet. I'm not happy, but look at all this, that's crazy. Literally everything is madness. Okay, we're gonna run top. We made it back to Disney Springs. Everyone actually got evacuated, I think, from the water park because of the weather. We're at Disney Springs again now. It's still thunder and lightning. Just waiting for our bus to go back. Look at the sky, it's really black. Really? Oh, it's darker that side, but the lightning's coming from like this side. I love standing in Disney Springs like this, like a noob. And Thea's looks like a noob too. Just been informed I'm under shelter. I don't need help. I knew that. I'm just scared. I'm not scared. Yeah, hopefully we can get back soon and get ready for Ohana. Hopefully.
my daughter's penance ring and my collection of angels. Which is what she is now, an angel looking down at me.
Boom! I'm in my pants, Thea! Okay, hi. I cannot remember the last time I vlogged, but we're in a bit of a rush right now because the bus was incredibly late to pick us up from the hotel to bring us to Magic Kingdom so we can ride the monorail to the Polynesian. So we're a bit running now, aren't we? Almost. And our feet kill. And it's still lightning and thundering, and yes, we're gonna go to the Polynesian for some food at Ohana. I'm really excited. But what I'm more excited about is cruising the monorail. It's like it's like a Disney tradition. You've got to use the monorail. You've got to use the monorail when you come here. Like even if your hotel isn't with a monorail, just go on it. And it's only got a 5-minute wait time, so we should get there in time because our res isn't until another half an hour. So I think we'll be okay. Of course, I know we've got to be there like early. I have a 15-minute. What I do without her, I don't know. Good luck, Harley, in Paris, because we're gonna get lost. So yeah, monorail time. Polynesian village resort. Quick! Is there anything coming? Here we are, Polynesian. The Polly. I'm so excited. Look at the little tiki lamp. Why can't we stay here instead? Oh, a lizard. And it's raining. So I'm gonna like turn this off. So I need to get wet. I'm gonna get wet. My hair's still wet actually from earlier. I don't know where we're like going from here. I don't know what building we've got to go in. I presume the main one. There's a big map. We're in Ohana. We literally sat down, they've already like given us a load of food and they said they're just going to keep feeding us food and I was like, yes you are. But that's not what I'm happy about. Look where I'm sat guys, like seriously, look at that. OMG, I have that view. I did have that view. Oh, it's back. That means we get to watch the fireworks here. If we eat slow, they'll turn all the lights off and we can watch fireworks and I'll be eating slow, I'll tell you that for sure. It's gonna be a good meal. See it from here. Oh yeah, I'm not there, am I? I'm in a restaurant.